Okay, so this is one of those products I call a hidden secret. I know it has been around for years. I just have not paid attention to it because of where it always is located. It's stuck in between the same brand of products or same line of products, but for relaxed hair. So you just automatically pass it. And I passed it by because I never liked the yellow. I just thought, oh God, what is this garish product? And it wasn't until I got tired of always taking products from the top shelf, which are the more imported products and the more expensive products, and trying them over and over and over again. I thought, you know what? Let me go down to the bottom shelf. Let me go to products that are produced on the continent or in this region that are targeting people in this region with the dry, arid climate. And for me, it is the best product, either for this climate and for my hair. It has a good balance of moisture and oils. It is one of those products I find that it feels like it's wetting your hair, but it still keeps your hair elongated. And the day after and several days after, your hair is soft, incredibly soft. You get the impression when you're applying it is going to shrink or it's going to be very oily, and it gives you that impression, but it's absorbed into the environment because you know what? It has all the ingredients that a lot of people are not going to be happy with. It has glycerin, it has mineral oils, it has I think shea butter, and it has a whole, yes, it does have shea butter, it says it right there. But if you look on the label, you're going to see that it has a combination of all kinds of products that some people are going to, Paraffinium liquidum is in there. People are going to be like, I don't want that in my hair. But trust me, this product, I used it for 3 months straight on its own. And I saw my hair grow long. And it came to my attention when my friend said, how come your hair is so much longer all of a sudden? And I realized I was only using this because when you use products that are targeted at the right climate, and is made for your hair, you realize that it works well for your hair, and you use it on its own, unlike me who is always mixing products. It makes my hair grow because I have the right balance of moisture and oils. It detangles well. It's a wetting agent, but it wets your hair without really giving you shrinkage. And my thing is how wonderfully soft my hair feels the days after. Oh my goodness. But because I'm a product junkie, I'm always trying other products, and I have several other products to use. Sometimes I forget about it, but I always use it alone or in combination with other products. Sometimes I want a boost of oils without having oily hair. I would come for this, or I mix it with another product that has a lot more moisture. But this is one of those hidden secrets. I didn't care for the packaging. Now I buy it, and it's reasonably priced. And the price changes from place to place. Sometimes I go to the same place, it's a little more expensive. Sometimes it's cheap. It's like, it ranges from 14 pula to 22 or 29 pula, depending on where you buy it. But sometimes the same place can sell it for 14, and the next time you go, there's 19, and the next time you go, it's 18. So I think it depends on where they import it from, or whomever is manufacturing it around the world, apart from in South Africa, or wherever they get it from, the price changes. But this last time when I bought it for the first time was 14 pula. And that's like what? Under $1, you know. And what else did I want to say about this product? It doesn't have a fragrance that is offensive. It could be almost, but it doesn't. It is mild. If they had made it any stronger, I certainly wouldn't buy it, because I always smell my products before I buy them, because I don't not want to feel nauseous the whole day when it's in my hair. But this has passed the test. It's subtle. It is not lingering per se, and even when it lingers, it's not that bad. Apart from that, price is great. Texture, consistency, performance is great. It's just one of those hidden products, but I think people are finding out about it now. So I find that I can't always find it. So when I find it, I try and buy 3 at a time, or, you know, I'm just happy to see it. It is, but the thing is, I think it's also because it is targeted at the girls with relaxed hair. So they are the ones buying it up. So those of us who are coming with our natural hair and trying to take their product, they're like, we're taking all. But that just goes to say that this is a hidden secret, a great hidden secret. Well, it works for me. It works for me. And I hope it worked for you. And you can put a lot or a little. It depends on how your hair feels or how you use your products. But worth a try. Worth a try. Really good. I'm not sure I like the yellow packaging, but guess what? Who cares if the product is good? So give it a try.